Cossack squat, weighted goblet. Cossack squats are a useful tool for improving lower body mobility. In this version of the Cossack squat, we add hip external rotation in the bottom position to activate the glutes and to target both the adductors and the hamstring mobility. We also start to load the Cossack squat to build strength and to offer weighted resistance to increase the range of motion. Start with a nice wide stance with the feet outside shoulder width and the toes turned out to 45 degrees or more. The heels of both feet will remain on the floor during the entire set. Keep the non-working leg straight by contracting the quad and pulling the kneecap up. Use the hamstring of the working leg to flex the knee and squat down into the Cossack squat. The knee will track over the toes and not collapse inwards during the squat. Actively use the hamstring to pull your butt down towards the heel of the working leg. Cover as much of the calf muscle as you can with the hamstring. Use the weight as a counterweight to allow you to keep the torso as upright as possible. As you squat down, the non-working leg will externally rotate so that the foot is pointing towards the sky. The rotation comes from contracting the glute and rotating the humerus in the hip capsule. We can also choose to plantarflex or dorsiflex the ankle. Once you reach the bottom of the squat, you can reverse the movement and return to the starting position. During the movement, we want to keep the torso as upright as possible to increase the stretch on the hips. The foot position can also impact hip mobility demands. The more you turn the toes out, the greater the adductor mobility will need to be. Find a sweet spot that works for you and allows you to repeat the required numbers of sets and reps. Start to increase the foot turnout as the mobility starts to improve in the hip.